I know you've been wondering how you can make your own cold pressed coconut oil. Worry no more. I brought you these easy to follow steps for you to get yours done. Very easy to follow. All you need to do is sit back and watch till the end. Very easy to follow. I use these 8 coconuts in making this recipe. So this is very easy to follow. So I will crack them open and get the water out. This coconut water, I use it on my previous video making coconut wine. Please check it out and see what I use it for and how you can get yours done. So now I'll be cracking them open. This is my challenging time because I don't like doing this. If you know alternative way of getting this flesh out, let me know on the comment section, because I really have hard time taking the flesh out from the shell. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. What will I have done without you people? Thank you so much. So now I'll be taking it out from the shell. So this is very challenging. Let me know if you have alternative way of getting this out. This is after I have finished taking it out and I remove the skin. So you can actually use with the skin, but I decided to remove the skin because I want my coconut oil to be clear. So you can see I'll be pouring it water inside to blend it. So at this time, make sure you're using a good blender because not all blender can blend coconut flesh. So at this time, use a good blender. It will work better. So you can see all done. So I blended it in 2 parts. This is the first one and the second batch is coming. This is the second batch. So you can see all blended well. So at this time, you have to start squeezing out the milk. You have to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze until all the milk comes out. So don't get tired of doing this. This is very easy to follow. All you need to do is just have the patience and keep pressing and squeezing it so that all the milk will come out. All done. So you can see the chaff. I will save the chaff for another video. Please stay tuned for what I'm gonna do with the chaff. So you can see I sieve it out again with my blind sieve to make sure there's no chaff inside. And this is a container I want to store it with, so I have to cover it and let it sit for 3 hours. At this time you can refrigerate it or you can leave it at the counter. You can see after 3 hours, you can see the separation, the milk on top and the water underneath. And I'll be scooping out all the milk. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. So the water now separated with the milk, and now you can use the water to cook rice if you want. So the milk, I will cover it with cling wrap and let it sit on my warm counter, or microwave is the best place to keep it. So and let it stay overnight. So this is after overnight stay. You can see the separation happening here. You can see the oil. Amazing. So you can see these 3 levels of separation: the water, the milk, and oil. So all you need to do is scoop out the first part of the milk. Don't throw them away. You will still cook it again to get all the coconut oil out. So now you separate the oil. in another bowl. So this is the cold pressed coconut oil. You can understand now that it's very easy to make. It's not complicated. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try? All you needed is just a coconut, and in that coconut you will get a lot of benefits from it. Just give it a try. Here I will take out all the oil. So take your time and get all the oil out. So now I will take out the milk. Just as I told you, don't throw it away. Cook it again. So at this time you have to do a cooking with this one to get all the oil out. I pour it into the pan that I'll be using in cooking it. So I'm just trying to make sure I got all the milk out. Yes, you can see it's ready. So I will start the cooking. And at this time, please don't leave it. You have to stay watch. Okay, you have to watch it out because any mistake it will get burnt. So if you don't want it to get burnt, please keep your eyes on it and keep stirring it from time to time. At this time it doesn't take time and everything will be done. So you can see at this time it's done. For me, I will stop the cooking and then sieve out the oil. So you can see I got almost half a cup of coconut oil from this. So nothing wastes. Everything about coconut all useful. So why don't you give it a try? So if you want it to come out this way, you just have to refrigerate the oil so that it will cake. You can see, very easy to dissolve, very shiny. Hope you give this a try. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try? It's amazing. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye.